Hey everyone, welcome back. Today I'm so excited because I'm going to be making some sopita de codito. My kids have been asking for sopita every single day because it's still a little chilly, and I'm going to be making it with some queso taquitos. They're so delicious. If you guys want to see how I make it, keep watching. I'm going to start off by making the salsa for the soup, and I'm going to be adding 3 tomatoes that I've cut in half, 2 garlic cloves, half of a chile serrano, quarter of a white onion, 1 tablespoon of chicken bouillon, and 2 teaspoons of tomato bouillon. And last, a cup of water. Now we blend until smooth. I set my pot on medium heat, and I'm gonna add 1 tablespoon of oil. The oil is now hot. I'm gonna add 1 7-ounce bag of Sopa de Coditos, a quarter of a white onion. We give it a mix, and we fry until golden. As you can see, our soup now looks golden, and I'm gonna add the salsa. I'm adding 4 cups of boiling water. Give it a stir, and this is the perfect time to check to see if you need more chicken bouillon. For me, this is just perfect. Cover it up and cook for about 10 minutes. While we're waiting on the soup to cook, I'm gonna start preparing the taquitos. I'm gonna start slicing the cheese, and I'm using queso fresco. I've already put my tortillas in the microwave for a couple of seconds, just so they can be flexible and they don't break as you roll them. So now we grab some cheese and we roll it up. And we'll do the same for the rest of the tortillas. And I like to add 2 slices of cheese, but you can always add more or less, whatever you prefer. It's been 10 minutes and we're gonna check on the soup. Okay, it's looking good. Now I'm gonna add a small bunch of cilantro, cover it up, and cook for an additional 5 minutes. Soup is now ready, and I'm gonna turn it off. I set my pan on medium heat, and I'm gonna add oil. Once the oil is hot, I'm gonna start frying our taquitos. And we're gonna fry them for about a minute or so on each side. These are ready, and I'm gonna take them out. And we do the same for the rest of the tacos. Okay, everything is ready, and now I'm gonna serve myself a bowl of soup. Honestly, with grocery prices being so high and everything is so expensive nowadays, this is such a good meal, and it's so delicious. And there you have it, delicious sopa de coditos con tacos de queso. Okay guys, moment of truth. Honestly, I can eat this sopa every day. It's so delicious. You don't get tired of it. And I love to add limon y tapatio. How do you guys eat your soups? Let me know in the description. Leave me a comment. Let me know if you guys just eat it just like that, or if you add any sauce or anything. Súper delicioso. Cheers. Alright guys, that's it for this one. I wanted to go ahead and give all my subscribers a thank you for following me, for the support. It means so much to me, and if it weren't for you, I wouldn't be where I'm at. So thank you so much, and I hope you keep enjoying my recipes. I'll see you guys next time. Bye.